Hi, I'm Chancellor Eric Coyne from Ivy Tech Community College in Bloomington, Indiana, and we are excited to share with you why we are going to be NACCE's Entrepreneurial College of the Year.
We have been proud members of NACCE since 2010 when we attended our first conference to learn about the academic programs, the many other programs to support students in the community, and the partners that NACCE partners with.
In fall 2021, we revamped our program to be face-to-face and applied learning from idea to launch in 2 semesters. Since then, we've had 59 students go through the program and 32 launched businesses. And we engage our alumni by having them come talk at mini conferences or at our club, and they come into our classes. We started with Everyday Entrepreneurship Level 1. We were awarded $5,000 and paid that out to 6 winners of our 2 pitch competitions. We pitched and pitched for the skilled trades, and we were awarded $40,000 to create our cyber range that 24 students are using this fall. We use the resources from SEEP, Verizon Small Business Digital Ready, QuickBooks, and the financial modules in all of our courses. We also are in Everyday Entrepreneurship Level 2. We were awarded $20,000 to provide technical assistance to our startups. Second, we have a huge community impact.
I am deeply grateful to Ivy Tech for all they do for our community. Their students are really part of the lifeblood of our community as they graduate, filling important roles in industry and in leadership.
Ivy Tech's entrepreneurial program is educating our next round of business leaders here in the community. They're making a tremendous impact here in Bloomington every day.
I chose Ivy Tech to help me further my business because the entrepreneurship program really focuses on helping students take that extra step.
And third, you could say our leadership is involved. Thanks for letting us tell our story of why we are NACCE's 2024 College of the Year. We appreciate your resources and your support. Thank you.